Hello, everybody. I wanted to read this letter to you just in case you didn't want to read it, and then you'd also get to see me. So if you're wondering where I am, I'm in the back room of my house. We're going to be doing some backroom math right here with Mr. Jurdy. So make sure you click on that survey there and do that so that they know and I know that you can access this stuff and have gotten this. Good afternoon. I hope this email finds you well and you are healthy and safe. I know during this stressful time there are many questions about what the day-to-day will look like. First and foremost, we want to make sure all students are getting their basic needs met. If you or anybody you know of is having a difficult time with getting enough food or suffering from anxiety or stress, please reach out to me or to one of the other teachers. We all want to make sure everybody is safe and is not in need. This has been the number one priority of the district and the teachers in this unprecedented time. This week, teachers and administration have been working hard to come up with a plan on what the learning will look like for all students going forward until we are able to resume classes in person again. At this time, the focus is for students to engage in review work and enrichment activities. Each week, your teacher will provide work and resources for you. These will be available on Cavaliero's Math website. The purpose of these assignments is to keep you engaged in your learning and to make the transition back to school easier. We know how challenging it is at the beginning of each school year after a summer off to get back into the groove of things. To prevent this from also being as much of an issue when we resume classes this year, it is important you do work for your academics. We are suggesting 30 minutes of math review, study, / practice each day. This will not be graded or tracked. Beginning the Tuesday after spring break, April 7th, you will receive instructions via email on the suggested topics to be worked on. These instructions will also be updated on Cavaliero's Math website. Until then, feel free to use online free resources to stay engaged. Here are some awesome links that you guys could check out. There's videos, different programs you can play around with on if you want to do that before we start up after spring break. Go ahead and do that. You can reach out to your teacher via email at any time with questions or concerns that you may have. Don't forget to fill out the student survey. Take care. Also, I wanted to say, what you'll be getting is you'll be getting something each day for the week that has different things that you could try. I will also be recording a video myself explaining those things out for you guys. So stay safe. I'm excited to get to do stuff with you guys, even though we're at home and can't get out and about much. See ya. Southwest 212. Backroom with Jurdy. Over and out.